Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial and review on Planable. Welcome to Planable in 2025, your ultimate platform for collaborative social media planning. In the next minutes, you will learn how to create, review, and schedule content with your team and clients all in one place. Now, Planable is a platform that is going to let your marketing teams and agencies create, collaborate, approve, and schedule social media content in a centralized and visual way. No more email chains or spreadsheets. You can manage multiple brands and channels in dedicated workspaces with real-time feedback and publishing features. It's important to notice that you're going to have access to all of the features that Planable has to offer using the basic plan, okay? The only difference is that you're going to have more, basically more posts that you can post, more users that you can, collaborate with, and things like that, okay? In the basic, pro, and enterprise plan. But the functions themselves are the same in the free plan, so you can just try it for free. After you complete a very quick quiz, you're going to be welcome to this dashboard in here. The workspace includes four main views, okay? You have your feed view, which is the full preview of posts looking native to each platform, depending on where you're going to connect. For example, in my case, I have YouTube connected in here. This is great for immediate visual feedback. You also have your calendar view, in which you can drag and drop scheduled posts across time slots using color-coded labels. You also have your grid view, which is going to be especially useful for Instagram planning. You're going to be able to arrange posts exactly how they will appear on the profile. Okay, this is very interesting for Instagram users. And also you have the list view. This is ideal for bulk actions such as approve, duplicate, delete posts quickly, and across all of the workspaces. Something that I love is that you have a media section, and here you're going to be able to basically upload and synchronize your different files that you want to upload maybe later or that you want to use in your content creation planning. You can also bring your designs from Canva if you connect to your account. After you upload your files, you can basically move them by clicking on them, and you can move them to your different campaigns, all right, which I'm going to show you how to create now. This is actually very simple. Just go to the campaign section and click on create a new campaign. Set the property to active whenever you want to start it, okay? And the start date, you can just set it to today or tomorrow, whatever, and the end date to whenever you want to end this campaign, basically. And here you can just add like a quick description of what you want to do in this campaign. For example, the client that you want to work with and things like that, or the kind of thing that you want to do with your business. You can also create new workspaces and you can invite team members. Okay, so just go to your name in here and just click on new workspace and just let's give this a name. Now let's click on next and just select all of your brands or your clients, content channels. Okay, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you want. I'm just gonna select YouTube in this case. Now you have the approval workflow. This is self-explanatory pretty much, but this is going to require a member of your workflow or your work space to actually approve the post before being posted. The problem with this is that in order for this to be mandatory, you need a premium plan. All right, guys. So yeah, I just leave it to none usually. And here you can change between your different workspaces. Let's say that you want to create your first post. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to go to content and we're going to click on create the first post. And here you're going to be able to basically select your different channels. In my case, it's only like the YouTube channels, but you can select different things, such as Instagram and things like that, okay? Now, you can also choose to create a new template if there's something that you're going to do like usually using the same structure. But in my case, that's not going to be the case. And also you can assign it to a campaign and set labels, all right? Good. Now, from here, from the video and source section, you're going to be able to basically add your own video. All right, guys, you can also import it from Canva. And now you must add a title and a description, okay? And the good thing about this is that you can generate it with AI. If you describe what you want to write, the AI is going to make sure that it is CEO optimized. You can also drag the scheduled posts into your calendar view. After approval, the post publishes automatically across supported platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Planable also offers built-in analytics, okay? Unfortunately, this is only for the paid plan, but you can basically track follower growth, engagement, and presence for posts and platform. Use this dashboard to generate quick performance reports for different clients, as you can see here. So Planable is pretty good. It has a clean, intuitive interface with native style previews and drag and drop calendar. It also has seamless integrations with different clients and different platforms, and you can directly publish to these platforms across major services, okay, and different platforms. Also, the price is pretty affordable, and you have a free plan in which you can try a lot of things. Not all of them. The concept, in my opinion, is that you have limited advanced analytic. Okay, you might need something better. Now, you also have minimal listening and social listening features like Sprout, and some users might want to use better workflows for holiday event planning. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thank you so much.